So, ayan, meron na naman tayong bagong unboxing, guys. Tingnan natin kung ano na naman itong pinadala ni TikTok. So, ito-try natin itong bagong product ngayon. Tingnan natin ano to. So, parang lipstick to siya or lip gloss. Ayan, try natin itong product na to. See? Look at guys, it's very, 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 very nice and very, very beautiful. I like it. Ah! Allah! Tingnan mo guys. Sorry. Naputol siya. naputol. Kasi, masyado kong diniinan. Kunti lang.